Purchase protection. This benefit serves as a short-term insurance policy for new items bought entirely with your card. If a recently purchased product is stolen or accidentally damaged within a specific window, usually 90 days, the card issuer will reimburse you for the cost or pay for a repair. It originated as a way to give consumers peace of mind when carrying expensive items out of a store, and today it remains a vital safety net for high-ticket electronics or luxury goods that might not be covered by other insurance. Extended warranty protection. This perk adds extra time to a manufacturer's original warranty, often doubling the length of coverage for up to 1 additional year. While retailers frequently try to sell standalone extended warranties at the checkout counter, many credit cards provide this exact service for free as long as you pay with their plastic. It matters because it protects your investment in appliances and gadgets long after the store's return policy has expired, saving you from the cost of unexpected mechanical breakdowns. Rental car collision damage waiver. This is perhaps one of the most valuable travel perks because it allows you to decline the expensive daily insurance offered at the rental car counter. If you get into an accident or the car is stolen, the credit card company steps in to cover the damage to the vehicle. Most cards provide secondary coverage, meaning they pay what your personal auto insurance won't. But some premium cards offer primary coverage that handles the entire claim without you ever having to involve your own insurance provider. Travel accident insurance. This provides a death or dismemberment benefit to you or your beneficiaries if a tragic accident occurs while traveling on a common carrier, such as a plane, train, or bus. It is a legacy benefit from the early days of the credit industry designed to compete with the life insurance kiosks once found in every airport terminal. While it isn't something people like to think about, it offers a layer of financial security for families traveling together, provided the tickets were purchased with the specific card. Trip delay reimbursement. This perk covers reasonable expenses like meals, toiletries, and hotel stays if your flight or train is delayed for a significant amount of time, typically 6 to 12 hours. Rather than sleeping on an airport floor or paying out of pocket for an expensive last-minute hotel, you can submit your receipts to the card issuer for reimbursement. It is meant to alleviate the stress of travel disruptions that are outside of your control, turning a miserable layover into a manageable experience. Lost luggage reimbursement. This provides a specific dollar amount of coverage if your checked or carry-on bags are lost or damaged by a carrier. While airlines are required to provide some compensation, their limits are often low and their processes can be notoriously difficult to navigate. This credit card benefit acts as a supplement to those airline payments, ensuring that the full value of your clothes, bags, and personal belongings is recovered so you can replace what was lost. Zero liability protection. This is a standard security feature that ensures you are not held responsible for unauthorized charges made on your account. While federal law limits a consumer's liability for credit card fraud to $50, almost every major U.S. issuer has gone a step further by lowering that amount to zero. This makes credit cards significantly safer than debit cards for online shopping or travel, as the bank takes on the financial risk of fraud while you wait for a new card to arrive. Roadside dispatch. This is a pay-per-use service that provides a dedicated phone line to call when you have a flat tire, a dead battery, or need a tow. While the cardholder usually still has to pay for the actual service provided by the mechanic, the card issuer handles the logistics of finding a reliable provider and negotiating a preset flat rate. It acts as a reliable backup for drivers who don't belong to a dedicated roadside assistance club, ensuring they aren't left stranded in an unfamiliar area. Price protection. This benefit allows you to claim a refund for the difference in price if an item you bought drops in cost shortly after your purchase. Though many major banks have scaled back this perk in recent years due to the ease of online price tracking, some cards still offer it to reward loyal shoppers. It effectively guarantees that you are getting the best possible deal without having to constantly monitor sales or return to the store for a manual price match. Foreign transaction fee waiver. This perk removes the standard 2 to 3% fee typically charged when you make a purchase in a foreign currency or through an international bank. Historically, these fees were meant to cover the costs of currency conversion, but many modern travel cards waive them to encourage international spending. For frequent travelers or people who buy from international online retailers, this can lead to significant savings over the course of a single trip abroad. Cell phone protection. This covers the cost of repairing or replacing your smartphone if it is stolen or damaged, including the dreaded cracked screen. To activate this coverage, you usually only need to pay your monthly wireless bill with a credit card. Considering the high cost of standalone phone insurance through cellular providers, this has become one of the most sought-after modern perks, requiring only a small deductible to get a functional device back in your hands. Return protection. This allows you to return an item even if the merchant refuses to take it back, such as when a store has an all-sales final policy or a very short return window. The credit card company will refund the purchase price, usually up to a few $100s per item, and may ask you to ship the item to them. This provides an extra layer of confidence when shopping at boutique stores or buying clothing that might not fit quite right once you get it home. Most of these perks go unused simply because people don't know they have them. Take 5 minutes today to log into your banking app, download your benefits guide, and see which of these protections you're already carrying in your wallet. Which of these perks have you actually used to save money? Drop a comment below and let us know if a credit card benefit ever saved your vacation or fixed a broken phone. It helps others know which cards are actually worth the hype. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who's about to book a trip or make a big purchase. Understanding the fine print is the first step to making your credit cards work for you, rather than the other way around. Don't leave money on the table. Make sure you're using the right card for the right purchase to stay protected. Subscribe for more deep dives into maximizing your personal finances. Understanding these perks is the best way to make your credit cards work for you. If you want to keep mastering your finances, hit that subscribe button. Also, I want to hear from you. Have you ever actually used one of these benefits to save a trip or get a refund? Drop a comment below and share your experience.